Bhí blianúntaach ag peildúir na Gaillimhe a chuir deir a háir gur thud le ceannis na hÉireann. Inis bhí na réalchaintéir eiste na Dlubna don fór. A mát a héin chlí bór na trách Knocknacarra champíní fe héin Craogh mai lucha. Fadas bhí buúntaach ag réalt óga Chonamara na bhanna Leitir Móir ar char Lóstran. Chin tóch búháin eile anáit na bailí díberthe. Ciúg a fear na hapóchan deis. Craobh Bombernach agus Seán de Puir a hamon trátarta.
Bóthar trying to still show get. He's Cathrach-1-15 tá Lewis fi Dylan. Agus fágan Evan Murphy to hero. Cathrach-1-15 pass cloiche ag Warren. Warren a costa to get tug. Which an another cream. Tashi Shin Costa. Agus Tashi Haran Sasson on score the Brilliancy. Tronish Cathrach-1-15. Daniel O'Flaherty. Flaherty a Curtu pass. Country Bulta and gets she shouldn't have done a good ass. Charlie Power on score a foul. Charlie Power and come Schnegge. John Cathrach-1-15 Fotig on a throne Charlie Power I'm sure he's Charlie Stephen Tucker Jishin Haran Sastan Lower Hand Sastan Maragarit and Yatlad Ed Doyev Vids Gimmert in the summer river, Charlie Power let Salthill Devon, California slides in shot in Gaillimhe and Counchin to the Gadasige. Counchin game on Countdas, just a space. I'll get into Gadasig, Oshin Madonacha, pass Cloiche, will in Counchin Crean, score Dasig, Phil Madonacha, a honey session or foul on Lyrica, so it's in pass Cloiche, a game in Olinchi. Contributed Michael Calanish to Don Cherbonla shot to Lewis for shot and get to Carl Sweeney to lower Fotig Sweeney to Tomo Tivmoro Tomo Kurtu cool Fotig he's selling second worse than Yerods and gets Tomo a Kriechnu Golodid.
Yeah, fair score in Shin agus score ma fornia vi in Shin Carl Sweeney listen Yerod your couldn't chat trasni Nirach Rudawan Edinton Tomo agus Shin on Yero de Vos and Yangach Rinne Shagamanchen you hug your chance a big good Joe.
For the Warren Counchin agus Gulta TV Stökup Oshin Madonacha Oshin Costa Shin Peshi Shin go hall in your father Gushin Madonacha score be Tastal a score gloats agus the score lit the Fotig the Ivana Timor Tá chaide le tá scoring Fotig.
Ord chaidean agus stoilm sa go bin an score sár tá Fotig go dí se anmh an gramus an air ag Ciarán O'Connach an score sin the trúnú cehar timppla.
Daniel Flaherty le ceanta géide agus ceanta dála score das agus tá Flaherty ag gimar come Sweeney, Mannion. Tomo reached. Tursha free. Tomo on score a foul. I'll get the win. Tomo Culhan. Come on, Picha on Wakion. Fair's a rub finish if you should also foul against the Gaillimhe. Actionate. Angus born the trot. Bóthar. Ivana. Timishadam was a gate that. Lore. Angus Horida and Coolchin. It's a gate that. Cnoc come out.
It was far from impressive from ourselves. You know, Leitir Móir a good side. We know that they had a big win in the first game, so we knew it was going to be a challenge. Always is, but you know, we did get in for chances, but we didn't take them. We turned over a lot of balls, so I'm not sure the lads will be happy with themselves. We're certainly not overly excited, but we're through to quarter-final now, so look, we've a lot to work on, but we've time to do it. We're trying to get lads back, and you know, we've a lot of county lads trying to bed them in, so you know, getting over the first two games and giving us a bit of time now heading into, you know, we've Cardiff next, but you know, it's not easy to gel, you know, that number of players back. But look, they're getting game time, they're getting their legs back up and running again, so maybe there's some dirty diesel out there, but you know, look, a win is a win in Championship. We know how hard they're got.